In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for the Citibank personal loan. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up any web browser. I strongly suggest doing this method on a desktop just because you're able to see things a little bit easier. But of course, you could do this on a mobile device, but I strongly suggest using a desktop. And then you just want to go to the search bar of Google and look up Citibank and then personal loan. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and click on this link right over here. Please make sure you are on the official Citibank website, and then it is going to bring you to a page that looks like this. All right, so once you're over here, it's going to give you a page that looks like this. So check this out. You can apply for a personal loan online. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and check the rates. That is incredibly important that you go ahead and do that. And if you do have an invitation code, then you can even go ahead and enter that in. And if you are a Citi customer, like you used Citibank before, you have a Citibank checking account or you have a Citibank credit card, then you can even log in from there as well. So that there's pretty good. And over here, you're able to go ahead and look at more information and stuff like that. So there are loans for home improvement, there are loans for debt, potential savings, etc. So all this is incredibly important. So what you want to do is you want to scroll down over here, and this is where we're able to go ahead and actually apply online. So you guys can apply online or you can apply through the phone. So if you're in a situation where you are overwhelmed by maybe like the website or something like that, or you really don't want to do this stuff online, you want to talk to a real human being, then you can go ahead and call this number. I just want to give you guys that option. But anyways, just select on check your rate right over here. Now from here, you need to select on why you need the actual loan for. So as you're able to tell, there's many options: home improvement, major purchase, etc., vacation. So you just want to go ahead and select on it, then select on it next. Keep in mind that this right over here is not going to impact your credit score. So select on that. You're then going to need to input personal information about yourself. And then afterwards, they are going to check your credit. So before applying, your credit score is a key factor in determining if you qualify for a personal loan. Even though Citibank doesn't directly disclose its qualification criteria, good to excellent credit borrowers, such as people who have mid 600s or higher, are the most likely to be approved. And then Citi offers personal loans with up to $30,000 for non-customers. And if you are someone who uses Citibank consistently, you have the credit card, you have a checking account, then you can even get up to $50,000 as well. So that there is incredibly important to take note of. You are also going to need proof of identification, such as your current driver's license, a state-issued ID, or a passport, proof of address, such as a utility bill or a lease, and for self-employment individuals, you are going to need to input proof of income. So please make sure to have all that information on standby. Of course, you're going to need other information: your address, your date of birth, social security number, etc. And then after you complete your application online, then you should be good to go. And you will need to be at least 18 years or older to qualify, or you need to be 21 if you're in Puerto Rico. Citibank requires that you earn at least $30,000 annually. So there are a lot of limitations and requirements. So again, keep that in mind. And you are going to need a reasonable debt to income ratio. Lenders generally prefer 36% or lower. So this is basically where you're able to go ahead and begin applying for the personal loan. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.